morning, everybody. Welcome back to HBI Auto. My name is Kendall, for those that don't know me. We're starting this video off in the 2021 Alfa Romeo. I'm going to butcher the name of this model, so I'm just going to put it on the screen because I'm not going to do it any justice. But we're in this 2.9 liter V6 500 to the wheel. Now this is a pretty powerful and peppy sedan, and I'm really loving the drive so far. There's tons of carbon fiber. It's in one of my favorite interior color combinations with the red and the black. But overall, just a sporty drive right now. I've got great visibility in this thing, and it's just so comfortable. These are full carbon back bucket seats, which is really nice, and I don't know. Maybe I'm becoming an Alfa Romeo fan. It's got about 1,000 miles on it. It is on consignment with us, so if you're curious already, go ahead and check out the link in the description. But so clean. I'm loving this. The drive, it sounds amazing. You do have an active exhaust on here, so when you put it into dynamic mode, it really opens up the valves, and it just sounds so good. You're paired with an 8-speed automatic, which isn't bad at all. The steering wheel kind of reminds me a little bit of a Ferrari, which they have some weird family heritage. They're all related somehow. At the end of the day, everyone's related in the car industry. This car is rear-wheel drive, so keep that in mind if you do choose to have this all year round. Just when you're driving in the snow and ice conditions, you do get a pretty decent gas mileage. You get about 17 miles per gallon in the city, and then about 20 something on the highway, so it's not too bad. But anyways, this is just such an enjoyable drive, honestly. It's got wireless charging in here, and really nice leather wrapped steering wheel, and it's just a comfortable drive. So this is the interior of this Alfa Romeo. So stunning. It's so modernized. This is a 2021, so a lot has changed throughout this model's history, but let's go ahead and dive into it. You've got your start stop button right there, and then you also have you have a really nice leather and Alcantara wrapped steering wheel. You get, again, with those big paddle shifters right there. They are metal, feels really nice. It's a really good steering wheel in my opinion. And you also do have hints of carbon fiber throughout this interior. Again, one of my favorite combinations is the red and black. You got the red deviated stitching, carbon fiber throughout, and it's just an overall really nice and appealing four-door sedan interior. Now you do have a really nice center console area screen right here. You've got your AC controls, your shifter right here, and then your driving modes right there. You do have wireless charging right there, 2 cup holders, and just tons of room. Now looking at these seats, these are full carbon back seats, which is amazing to see in a sedan. These are really comfortable. They are manual seats, so you do have to adjust them manually and just be very specific about what you want, but they're really comfortable, really sporty design. I like them, and quite honestly, but like I mentioned before, as someone who's almost 6 foot tall, I've got so much room inside of here. It's really comfortable. I got tons of room to move around and just really enjoy the drive if I choose to use this as a daily commuter. But let's go ahead and check out the exterior. So this is the exterior of this 2021 Alfa Romeo. It's a beautiful red. It's very deep, and it's tons of contrast in this paint. I really like the exterior designs of these Alfa Romeos. I think they're just so sporty. They're clean looking. Reminds me a little bit of like a BMW, but not really. You do have the 5 Y-spoke wheels with those really nice brakes right there. I don't know the size of those calipers, but they are pretty big for just a sporty sedan. Now looking at the backside, again, it just reminds me a little bit almost like a Lexus, almost like a BMW, but it's very clean, very sporty design. You have the dual quad tipped exhaust right there. It's a valved exhaust, so when you go into dynamic and race mode, you do have a more pronounced exhaust note. So getting a better look at this V6 engine, it's very clean under here. This car only has about 1,000 miles on it, so it's very clean, very much a new car, but it's so nice. And look at this, you've got a carbon fiber hood on there, which I didn't even realize just until now. That's really nice, very sporty. You got the dual vents right there, so it really allows this engine to breathe. That sounds good. But it sounds so good for 500 to the wheel, 2.9 liter V6. It's not bad at all. I really like the sound of this, honestly. For a sedan, it's not bad at all. And I keep saying that, like, for a sedan, it's not that bad. But, like, it's so sporty and designed. It's so clean, and it's everything you would want in a sedan, in my opinion, and it's Italian. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're a fan of this 2021 Alfa Romeo, I'm going to try and pronounce it Giulia. I'm bad at pronouncing this stuff. But if you are interested in it, it's on consignment with us. Check out the link in the description below so you can check out more photos and get in contact with the team about picking up this Alfa Romeo. It's a really clean spec, only under just about 1,000 miles. I think it's like 1,020 miles on here, so it's not bad at all. 500 to the wheel, you get a powerful V6 engine and 4 seats, carbon fiber, everything you could want. out of a daily drivable sedan. Really recommend the Alfa Romeo. Go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.